Have you ever wondered what really causes that loud pop during a chiropractic adjustment? Contrary to popular belief, it's not your bones snapping back into place. Inside your neck are small synovial joints called facet joints. These joints contain smooth articular cartilage and a thin layer of synovial fluid that allows them to move with minimal friction. During a high-velocity, low-amplitude adjustment, the joint separates by only a tiny distance. This rapid separation causes the pressure inside the joint to suddenly decrease. As the pressure drops, dissolved gases within the synovial fluid rapidly come out of solution, forming a tiny gas-filled cavity. This process, known as tribonucleation, is associated with the familiar popping sound. After the sound occurs, the gas-filled cavity gradually disappears over time, which is why the same joint usually can't produce another pop immediately. But here's the interesting part. Hearing a pop doesn't necessarily mean the treatment was more successful. Research has shown that patients can experience similar improvements in pain and movement, whether or not an audible pop is heard during spinal manipulation. For appropriately selected patients, spinal manipulation may provide short-term pain relief and improve mobility when used as part of an evidence-based rehabilitation program. The real goal isn't to create a popping sound. It's to reduce pain, restore movement, and help patients return to the activities that matter most.